I welcome all the viewers of Regular Updates channel. My name is Nikhil Kumar and in this video, I'll be delivering today's top news headlines. Coming to the first headline, 5 Rafale jets landed in Ambala today. The 5 Rafales are scheduled to be inducted into the Indian Air Force on Wednesday, though a formal induction ceremony would be held later. The first 5 batch of Rafale jets landed on the Ambala airbase today afternoon, with police tightening the security around the Air Force station. Chief of Air Staff Rakesh Bhadauria received the jets with the fleet arrived at the strategically key airbase, as the airbase is 222 km away from the Indo-Pak border. The 6 Rafale trainer aircraft will carry RB series tail numbers, which stand for the Air Chief Marshal Rakesh Bhadauria, who played a key role as lead negotiator for the mega deal. The fleet, comprising of 3 single-seater and 2 twin-seater aircraft, will be inducted into Indian Air Force as a part of its number 17 squadron, also known as Golden Arrows. Moving ahead to next headline, new education policy gets cabinet approval. The Narendra Modi-led National Democratic Alliance government has approved the new education policy, or NEP. The decision was taken at the cabinet meet on Wednesday. The draft faced stiff opposition from various quarters over its 3-language formula, 4-year B.Ed program, board examination for Class 5 and Class 8, among others. The Union Ministry is learned to have changes in the draft after taking feedback and suggestions from people. The existing education policy was framed in 1986 and revised in 1992. Coming to the next headline, China says disengagement at most localities along line of actual control is complete. China on Tuesday said border troops had disengaged in most of the localities along the line of actual control. But defense sources said disengagement had only been partial at one of the locations that Beijing appeared to be referring to. China also acknowledged for the first time that issues were yet to be resolved at Pangong Lake, which is likely to be taken up at the 5th round of Corps Commander level talks set for the later this week. Moving to the next headline, license for stocking and sale of hand sanitizer is no longer required, says government. The Union Health Ministry has done away with the requirement of a license for stocking and sale of hand sanitizer to make it more widely available for public amid the COVID-19 pandemic. Now some coronavirus related news. India's COVID-19 tally crosses 15 lakh mark. India's COVID-19 tally went past 15 lakh on Wednesday, 2 days after it crossed 14 lakh mark, with 48,513 fresh cases recorded in a day. While the recoveries are near to 10 lakh mark, the recovery rate of COVID-19 patients is 64.51%. A study shows that 57% of Mumbai slum population and 16% of non-slum residents had developed antibodies, which means the number of people infected due to coronavirus is much more than the official tally. Lockdown in Thiruvananthapuram has been extended with some restrictions, and bi-weekly lockdown in West Bengal extended till 31 August. All these news headlines are from authentic sources like The Hindu, Hindustan Times and other national level news channel. And thanks for watching. If you like the information, hit the like button, share it with your near and dear ones, mention any query or feedback related to the video in comment section. Thank you. If you are new to the channel, then please subscribe and press the bell icon to never miss an update.